Alright, 2007 Honda Santa Fe, manufactured in 9/25/2006. It's probably the last versions of its kind, of that particular generation. I put in a door glass control arm, lower control arm, both sides. Took forever for 2 days, but I managed to do it. The torque, they can't move. I used a torque wrench on them and they just don't move. Someone told me it was 130 pounds. I did it that way and it just don't move. They ain't moving. Now what happened was I discovered a tire rod being broken. That piece of shit over there, excuse me. That was done by Pep Boys. And I should call them back and tell them to reinstall it because it was done in April. But I went over to AutoZone and $20 tire rod. Okay, the hardest part right now is to install it. I'm just taking my time with it and all. My problem right now is when I drive this side, right where I'm at, the tire, I'll accelerate without a problem. It's fine. And then when I let go and let it go coasting, it makes a sound. It makes a clicking sound. Now, if you hear that, is there something wrong? I need to talk to somebody. You hear it? Alright, my worry is I did something when I put on the lower control arm because it's just a little stiff back here, as you can see. I'm just worried. I'm going to put the tire rod on. I did have the dust, brake dust shield really tight to the thing since I was banging and all this other stuff. So wish me luck to finish up the tire rod. I think it's going to be like 16 foot-pounds or 80 foot-pounds, but right now I'm just trying to get it started so it gets done. Alright, and this is my only car, so I'm like really scared and excited, and I'm happy about it, okay? But this is just a lot of work. I took 2 days off on the weekend, so thank you, bye-bye.